In this AlignMix video, you will learn how to create U.S. county level territory alignments. There's two ways that you can create these alignments. The first way is to import that data directly into AlignMix, and you'll see your geographic territories appear on the map based on the data that you have in your Excel file. The second way is to manually create them from scratch. But before we do any of that, we need to reconfigure our map here from the default setting of U.S. zip codes to U.S. counties. To do that, you click here on File, and then you click here on New Project. Here in the drop-down menu, make sure you have the U.S. selected, and here in the second drop-down, you will find U.S. counties. From here, you click on Finish, and the map will reconfigure from 5-digit zip codes to U.S. counties. If you didn't have an Excel file with your county to territory assignments, you can simply zoom into an area and use the Touch Align tool to create new territories. So just like that, we've created Territory 1, we can create Territory 2 here in Phoenix, or you can use the lasso tools to lasso your counties, and then let go, click Next, and create a new territory, and that's it. So that's how you can create territories from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and undo those 3 territories. You can also import your existing county-based territories directly into AlignMix. In order to do that, you need to have the U.S. County FIPS code, FIPS. It's basically a 5-digit unique identifier for the counties. You can't use county names for this import process because over 34% of counties in the U.S. are duplicates. So that's why you have to use the 5-digit FIPS code for the import process. So let's take a look at the Excel file that we are going to use for this import. Here is the Excel file. So this is our current territory alignment at the U.S. county level. Column A is our FIPS code, so it's that 5-digit unique ID for each county in the U.S. Each county, or FIPS code, is assigned to a territory. So we're only going to import these 2 columns worth of data into that AlignMix file. So now let's minimize this Excel file, click on File, Import, and import your data. From here, select the file for import and click on Open. Here on the left-hand side, you will see the column labels from that Excel file. What we need to do now is click and drag from the left and drop it into the corresponding section on the right. The 5-digit FIPS code, which is our county here, that gets dragged into County ID. As you drop that in there, you'll see all the other categories have collapsed. Basically, AlignMix now knows what you're trying to import. And now the territory ID gets dragged to territory ID. Click Next. Again, we get a summary of what we're about to import. Click Next again, and that import's complete. If you do have any errors like this, you can click the Save button here, and you can view where those errors have occurred so that you can fix them and then import that error report back into AlignMix and fix those errors. Click on Finish. And just like that, we have all our geographic territories now appearing as different colors here on the map. And there you go. You've just learned how to create county-level sales territories here in AlignMix.